Hello everyone! Hello teachers! So today I'll show you the tutorial on how to use Blooket. So first of all, the first step you're going to do is go to Google and then on the search bar type on Blooket. So when a page is like this, click on the http www.blooket.com. So when a tab is like this, you have two options. Either you want to log in or you want to sign up. If you already have your own account, so you can just straight away to log in. But if you don't, I suggest you to create an account first. But for this tutorial, I'll show you how exactly can you sign up for Blooket account. So click on sign up. I'll log out first. Okay, so click on sign up. And then you have to choose your very own identity, whether you are a student or a teacher. But for this part, I want to use teacher. So enter your age verification. Click on next. And then this part, you have to choose an authentication method, whether it's email and password or Google. But for this part, I'll choose Google to make it easier for you. So you can see that there are so many of my emails. So for example, I want to choose this email. Click on continue. Wait for a moment. And you have to wait for the authentication process. This will take some time, so be patient. Okay, so when a tab is like this, you are ready to create a set or discover sets. So, first of all, before I go to further, make sure that you set your username by not using your real name. Do not use your own real name. Use any name that you desire and make sure there is no capital letter or special numbers or special signs. So now, I will start to show you how can you create a set. So click on create a set. And then when your tab is like this, you can put your cover image, whether it is from image gallery, you want to upload your file, or by URL. So for example, I want to use image gallery. So you can choose any image, search for any images that you want. For example, I'll choose ball. Click on any ball that you want, like this, and then add your title. For example, forces and motion. So for this tutorial, I'll focus on physics. And then put a little description to tell your users about your question set. Like that. So, for the privacy setting, so this will help to decide who can find and play your question set. For example, if you set it to public, it is playable by everyone. But if you set it to private, it is only playable by you. So for this tutorial, I'll set it to public. So this is the creation method. So this decides how you will start adding questions to your set, whether you want to edit manually, wizard import, or CSV import. But for this one, I'll choose manual. So just click on create. And then see, or you can go to my sets. So this is the question that you've already created. But there is no question yet. So click on the pencil icon. So you can add questions, you can have quick import, spreadsheet, also put in image, math, and also audio. And these are where you put in your answer. For example, so after you have done inputting your question and also your answers choices, click on save. Oh, don't forget to choose the correct answers. And don't duplicate your answers like I do. Click on save. There, you got your first question. And then you can add more questions if you want. So, if you don't, say set. So, you can assign the set. First, you gotta enter your school name or postcode. For example, I choose so you can set up due date, homework title, your correct goal means that the number of questions to complete the assignment, allow your students account, and allow all games mode for more interactive and engaging. And then click on Assign Now. So you can share the homework by click the link to copy to your clipboard or just scan the QR. So you can see how many students are correct, the total incorrect, the total students that already answer your questions, the total answers, and also the due date. So you can also see the time rate, completion, and accuracy of your student. You can also download this using spreadsheet or delete this data. That's all from me. Thank you so much.